Brainy Quote. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. You can't blame gravity for falling in love. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. The only source of knowledge is experience. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. A table, a chair, a bowl of fruit and a violin, what else does a man need? The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason. Gravitation is not responsible for people falling in love. There are two ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle, you can live as if. The hardest thing to understand in the world is the income tax. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right, a single experiment can. Before God we are all equally wise, and equally foolish. A question that sometimes drives me hazy, am I or are the others crazy? The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. The gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge.